is worksheet number 12, modal verbs. What are modal verbs? To know this, first you must know what are verbs and how they are divided. Actually, verbs are broadly divided into three categories. First is auxiliary verb, modal auxiliaries, and main verbs. This main verb we saw in worksheet number 10, that is all action words are main verbs. Okay, you know all action words. Example, play, jump, run, throw, catch, see, cry, laugh, etc. etc. All these are main verbs. What are auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs are otherwise called as helping verbs. Okay, sometimes they can stand on its own, or sometimes it will depend on the main verb. Now let's see what are auxiliary verbs. Be verbs, do verbs, and have verbs come under auxiliary verbs. They are otherwise called helping verbs. What are be verbs? Is, am, are, was, were. Do verbs: do, does, did. Have words: has, have, had. When is, am, and are is used is in present tense. Okay. Now look at these examples. He is a doctor. Is used present tense, but the subject should be singular. I am a student. Am is present tense, but the subject is I. We all are present today. This is also present tense, but the subject is plural. Okay. So both these are singular, are is plural. Next, was. Yesterday she was sick. So this is used for past tense. You are talking about yesterday, past tense, but the subject is singular. They were going to temple. Subject is plural, but this is past tense. So was is used for singular, where is used for plural in past tense. And what is do? We do understand grammar. Okay, this is present tense, but the subject is plural. Sita does her homework regularly, present tense, but the subject is singular. We did the project already, past tense, but the subject is plural. Did can come for singular also. I did the project already is also correct. So both singular and plural can take did, but this comes in the past tense. Okay, both these are present tense. This is past tense. Has, have, had. Ravi has a sister, present tense, subject is singular. People have voted, present tense, subject is plural. Mother had her lunch, past tense, subject is singular. This had also can take a plural subject also. We had our lunch, that is also correct. So this is common for both singular and plural. Did and had is common for both singular and plural, but these are past tense. Okay, this is be verbs or auxiliary verbs. Modal auxiliaries are will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, need to, used to, ought to, must. So how to remember this? 2W, 2S, 2C, 2M, 3 twos, 1 must. Okay. Now let's see its usage. Will is used for future tense, and when you are very sure about something, at that time you will be using will. I will win the match. What is the past tense of will? Would. Shall is when the subject is I, and in future tense you will use shall. I shall win the match. For other subjects, he, she, it, you, we, they, for all those subjects you can use will. Past tense of shall is should. Next, can, ability. I can complete the homework. I can pass through this exam. All these are ability. Past tense is could. May is probability. When you are not very sure about something, at that time you will use may and might. And asking permission also you will use may. May I come in? That is permission. Probability is it might rain tomorrow. You are not sure whether it's going to rain or not. So at that time you will use might. Need to is compulsion. That is you need to complete the work by today itself. That is need to. Used to is for habitual actions. I used to get up at 6 o'clock daily. I used to drink milk every day. Habituals. Then ought to is duty. You ought to follow the traffic rules. You ought to respect the elders. That is duty. Must is also compulsion. You must. If you say something must, it is said that there is no other option, but they have to do it. You must write the test. You must go with the time. You must be punctual. So at that time you will be using must. Now coming to your worksheet. We'll go through the examples. You will understand it better. One dash move with the times. Time is, you cannot stop time, right? The clock is always moving. Time and tide wait for none. So at that precious time, you must move with the time. It is a compulsion for everyone to go on with the time. Next one. Sorry, I dash come yesterday. Past tense. They have used past tense here. So which is a past tense? Did and could is past tense. Okay. But here you have to fill with the modal verbs only. Did is not modal verb. It is do verb, auxiliary verb. So you have to, the only option is couldn't. Sorry, I couldn't come yesterday. You look sick. You dash see a doctor. Since she is sick, it is very necessary to see a doctor. So you should see a doctor. Now choose a correct modal verb. They say it dash rain tomorrow. So something is going to happen tomorrow and you don't know, you are not sure whether it is going to rain or not. So probability. It might rain tomorrow. That's the answer. Next. I don't know. I couldn't or may be late. I don't know. You don't know whether it is going to be late or early. So at that time, probability. I may be late. I don't know. I may be late. She dash be able to help us. She is not available. You are very sure that she is not available. So you cannot use might. Only for probability you will use might. So you are very sure. So won't is the right answer. She won't be able to help us. Next, Roman letter 4. Identify the incorrect auxiliary verbs and rewrite the sentence with correct auxiliary verbs. Okay, you are going to error spotting. You are going to do error spotting. They dash helping us with the decorations. They is plural. So you cannot use is. What is the plural form for is are. They are helping us with the decoration. So that's the right answer. They are helping us with the decoration. Have you going this evening? It's wrong because subject is you. So for that you have to use are. Are you going this evening? That's the right answer. Next one, complete the sentence with auxiliary verb. Okay, modal auxiliary you are going to fill here. We complain if the service does not improve. So where it is wrong? Complain. Something is wrong with complain. What will be the right answer? We will complain if the service does not improve. Okay. Rewrite the following sentence in past form using modals. Modal auxiliaries. You may understand this explanation. Past form using modals. So you're going to use past form of the modal may. What is the past form of may? Might. So what's the answer? You might understand this explanation. Next, Roman letter 7. Write a sentence with the following modal verbs. Ought to. As I told you earlier, ought to is duty. You ought to respect the elders. You ought to follow the traffic rules. Okay. Complete the sentence with need to or have to. Alas, my house is in a mess. I really clean a bit. So, my house is in a mess. I need to clean a bit. Understood? Next, Roman letter 10. Read the following situations and create a sentence using modals. Example question. We are going to Chennai next week. You are making suggestion. Make suggestion for a visit. Answer is we could visit beach. Okay, this is just an example. Instead of using auxiliary verb are going to Chennai and all, they have written we could visit beach since it is a suggestion. Now, next one, 13th question. Preeti has got a headache and fever. Give some advice. So, you are going to give advice to Preeti. Preeti should see a doctor. Okay. You want to borrow your uncle's watch. Ask for permission politely. You are going to ask very politely. So, how will you ask? Uncle, may I have your watch? Understood. Next is Roman letter 11. Write a brief narration about something interesting that happened to you recently. What happened? How it affected you? What did you learn from it? Use at least 5 different auxiliary verbs in your narrative and circle them. Okay, this is a general question. You are going to write an interesting thing that happened in your life recently. What happened? You are going to tell the incident, how it happened, how it affected you, and what lesson you learned from it. Okay, 3 simple things you are going to explain with different auxiliary verbs. You can use helping verbs, do verbs, be verbs, have verbs plus modal auxiliaries. Okay, and circle those auxiliary verbs you are using. Thank you, Ma. If you have any doubts, please ask me.